Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please excuse my voice because I've been dealing with a very bad cold for the last 1 week. Anyways, in today's video, I will be sharing some essential pieces and outfit ideas that is going to help you create elegant and timeless wardrobe that is going to be suitable for every age and body type with a focus on the demands of current hot weather, obviously. Most of the clothing items I'm using in this video are my recent purchases from Zara, H&M and Myntra, while the accessories such as bags and shoes are from my existing collection. I will be linking everything in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And with that, let's get started with the video and I hope that you enjoy. Since we are talking about wardrobe essentials, I have to start with something that may seem very basic at the face of it, but honestly, it's not. There are some key elements to keep in mind that can make or break the whole look. Yes, it's a classic and timeless combination of black and white that can easily become boring, especially if your outfits do not have any unique design elements or details. And that is why we must pay attention to the fit, texture, details, accessories, and makeup to create a stylish and sophisticated look. This outfit here is a great example. For the top, rather than going for a plain black shirt or a basic round neck top, I opted for a flowy sleeveless option with knot detailing. It adds a visual interest and a little bit of feminine touch to my outfit. The V-neck design is not only easiest to style, but it also flatters most body types by making you appear taller and slimmer. Additionally, it provides a great canvas to showcase your jewelry. For the trousers, rather than going for my usual pair of full-length white formal trousers, I opted for these high-waisted, wide-leg, structured culottes with clean lines for a couple of reasons. Number one, culottes are highly versatile. They can be dressed up or down with great ease. And number two, they are all-weather appropriate. In hot weather, culottes offer breathability and comfort, while in cooler seasons, you can easily pair them with tights or boots for added warmth. Culottes also give you a great opportunity to showcase your footwear, and with that, there comes another element or wardrobe essential, a pair of dainty slingback shoes. Find the most comfortable pair and then get them in black and nude and you are sorted. When it comes to accessories and makeup, I would say less is always more. Dainty gold chains, a couple of rings and a watch or a bracelet will help bring the entire look together. Finally, for the handbag, I opted for a white tote that is perfect for a day look. Classic totes in black and white with minimal design are a must-have in a timeless wardrobe because they are not just stylish, but they are practical as well. I would also invest in a simple clutch in black or brown or any other nude color because they help transition any outfit from day to night in just a matter of seconds. Now, this is one outfit that is equally stylish at and outside work, and it's also appropriate for women across different age groups and profession. As long as we are talking about culottes, let me share a few more ideas that show how versatile these can be and how stylish they can make you look if you choose the right tops and accessories. But also, let's talk about color combinations other than black and white, as well as fabric selections and silhouettes. Some color combinations such as navy with beige or olive with white in outfits have the ability to make you look and feel more polished. Let's look at this next outfit for an example. I've combined a flowy satin top in light olive with my white culottes. Olive is reminiscent of nature and organic elements. It evokes a sense of calm and timeless elegance. White, on the other hand, represents purity and simplicity. Together, they reflect a natural, effortless, chic style that appears both luxurious and grounded. Now, since the structured trousers provide a clean, tailored silhouette that add a polished and professional touch to your outfit, pairing them with a flowy feminine top creates a harmonious balance. The flowy satin fabric adds a touch of luxury and elegance to your outfit. Satin's natural sheen makes the top stand out, adding visual interest and a soft feminine touch to the outfit. I opted for a sleeveless top, which is perfect for warmer weather, and it helps balance the proportion because I have a petite frame. Now, no matter how beautiful an outfit is, pair them with wrong accessories and it is game over. While black black often seems to be the universal choice for accessories, at times it can create a very stark contrast that could disrupt the visual flow. And that brings me to another wardrobe essential, and that is a pair of nude or transparent heels, especially ones that match with your skin tone, because they can also create illusion of longer legs. Here I've opted for my favorite transparent heels from Mango with rhinestone detailing to add a subtle sparkle to an otherwise very neutral and simple outfit. Simple details such as the rhinestone detailing on shoes, minimal gold jewelry, and nude bag with subtle gold strap helps create a balanced and understated elegance that doesn't overpower the soft hues of the top and the trousers. Next on my list are co-ord sets, but I'm specifically talking about the solid color options in earthy tones. Co-ords in general eliminate the hassle of matching separate pieces, providing an instantly coordinated look that is both stylish and cohesive. But choosing the right co-ord set is important, especially if you're looking for an option that you will be able to carry in style year after year without getting bored or feeling outdated. While I love my prints and patterns, they can often be tied to specific fashion trends or seasons. Solid colors, on the other hand, avoid this pitfall by remaining neutral and versatile, reducing the risk of becoming outdated. High quality, well-fitted, solid color garments are likely to have a longer lifespan in your wardrobe as they maintain their appeal and functionality over time. This beautiful skirt and top set is just the perfect example. The minimal design and earthy tones make it easy to pair with other colors, enhancing its versatility and also making it suitable for all seasons, providing a warm look in the colder months and a light natural feel in the warmer months. Also, I kept a few things in mind while selecting this set. Number one, since I'm petite and the skirt is almost maxi length for me, but the fact that the skirt has long slit in the front and the top has a sleeveless and halter neck design, it helps me create a balanced look. The skirt has a belt in same fabric, which gives a nice break and makes me appear taller than I am, while the pleat detailing helps create an illusion of curves. For the accessories, I opted for a pair of navy slingback shoes, a navy leather bag with gold straps, and my watch along with a couple of gold rings. The deep, rich tone of navy contrasts beautifully with the light, warm hue of camel and creates a visually appealing and harmonious look. I can easily carry this look for day or night for various occasions. So next on my list are linen skirts in earthy tones such as khaki, brown and beige, and flowy lightweight silk or satin shirts. Both these pieces are extremely versatile and can be styled together and separately to create various looks. While linen skirts have a timeless aesthetic, satin shirts offer a sophisticated look that is appropriate for various occasions. They can be paired with a variety of bottom wear options including jeans, skirts and tailored pants. Tuck them into a pair of high-waisted trousers with heels for a chic office look, pair them with jeans and loafers for a stylish yet relaxed look, or style them with fitted skirts for a night out. I decided to combine a linen skirt with satin shirt to create an unexpected but polished look. The asymmetric skirt with ruffle detailing combined with flowy satin shirt creates a contrasting and interesting juxtaposition of textures that brings both visual interest and a balanced aesthetic. The boldness of fuchsia against the earthy tones of khaki makes the outfit stand out. Pieces like these are evergreen in your wardrobe, and you can style them in so many different ways for years, even as your style evolves over time. This is one important aspect that I always look at while buying clothes, because I really do not want to spend my hard-earned money on something that I will easily get bored of after a couple of seasons. Now, since the outfit needs to shine on its own, we don't really need to overcrowd it with accessories that may end up clashing. And that is why I'm keeping it simple with a pair of nude pumps, a wardrobe staple as discussed already, and a nude sling bag to tie the whole look together. When it comes to prints, there are a few that have stood the test of time and ever-changing trends. Gingham is one such print with its roots dating back to 17th century. In this look, I'm combining two of my favorite wardrobe staples, a classic black and white gingham top with a plain white voluminous maxi skirt. The symmetrical check pattern of gingham makes it versatile and easy to incorporate into various styles. From casual to formal wear, you can style them in so many different different ways. Plus, gingham can be worn year-round. Light cotton gingham is perfect for spring and summer, while heavier fabric can transition into fall and winter wardrobes. Similarly, maxi skirts offer comfort without compromising on style. Their length provides ease of movement while maintaining a polished appearance. The flowing nature of maxi skirts flatters various body types and women across different age groups. They can accentuate your waist while gracefully covering the legs, providing a balance of modesty and style. To compensate for all the extra volume of the skirt, I chose a fitted corset style top that helps create a balanced and chic look. This outfit has such a rustic charm to it. While I was trying it out, I almost felt like being transported to an idyllic countryside setting for a romantic picnic. Well, the picnic basket is missing here, but I'm sure you get my point. If we are talking about elegant wardrobe staples, how can we not include a pair of well-fitted jeans? When it comes to jeans, finding the fit that is both universally flattering and timeless can be challenging because these days we just have so many options available. But a straight fit cut, preferably in medium to dark wash and no fading or distress whatsoever, is one of the most versatile options and a must-have in every single wardrobe. This fit is neither overly tight like the skinny jeans nor excessively loose like the wide leg or boyfriend styles, making it suitable for many body shapes and sizes. This straightforward, no-fuss design ensures that they remain in style regardless of changing fashion trends. Plus, they are the easiest to style and you can easily dress them up or down depending on your requirement or your mood. And last but not the least, neutral color tops and trousers are the foundational elements in any well-rounded wardrobe. Their clean and versatile design, timeless appeal, and ease of layering make them indispensable for creating a variety of stylish outfits. Investing in high-quality neutral pieces will help you build a wardrobe that will stand the test of time and will remain chic and relevant for years to come. It is, however, important to find a fit that will enhance your body shape and ensure maximum comfort. So in the next few slides, I have listed the most common body shapes and fits that may be best suitable for each of them. Please feel free to take a screenshot of the slide that aligns with your body shape and refer to it whenever you are trying to find the fit that will work the best for you. Please note that as we gain or lose weight, our body shape can also change. In the interest of time, I'm going to avoid getting into the details in this video, but let me know if you would like me to create a dedicated video on this topic and I will be more than happy to do so. Now, since I have a rectangle body shape, so high-waisted, wide leg options and trousers with pleat detailing help create an illusion of curves. But to be honest, I do not always stick to the rules whenever it comes to buying clothes because I feel it is important at times to just do what makes you happy. But yes, knowing the rules definitely doesn't hurt. For today, I'm wearing a pair of balloon fit trousers, for example, which may not be the best fit for a petite frame, but honestly, I love it. The key is in styling. I paired it with a neutral top to avoid any stark contrast, so it helps me create an illusion of height. Plus, I opted for a structured top that helps broaden my shoulder and highlights my waist, creating an illusion of an hourglass figure. Now, since the whole outfit is neutral, I went with my black pumps with rhinestone detailing that provides a nice base. And finally, I finished the look with a black clutch and love the effortless chic vibe. And that was it for today's video, guys. I truly hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe for more such content, and I will see you guys soon with another fun video. Till then, take care and bye.